Hi there. Let's make a super delicious stuffed mushroom tikka starter. We'll marinate the mushrooms, stuff and pan cook them to perfection. It's an easy recipe that you'll be able to enjoy with your folks. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. For this special spice mix, 1/4 cup of coriander seed, 1/8 cup of cumin seed, 4 green cardamoms, 1 dried red chili. You could dry roast them on low heat in a pan. I like to put them in the microwave on high power for 2 minutes. The spices have released their aroma. Now just let them cool down for a bit before you grind them. Grind it coarsely. You'll need about 200 grams or a packet of mushroom. Wash and clean the mushroom thoroughly and just remove the stalk. So this cavity is what we are going to fill with the stuffing. These can be used to make stock for soup. You could even peel off the outer skin if there are many marks on it. So I'll just peel off a few of them. They look neat and clean and I'm happy with that. So let's just move on. So you'll need some hung curd for the marination. Just leave the curd on a strainer inside the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours to drain. Take a large bowl. Add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of the hung curd. Half a tablespoon of fresh coriander chopped fine. A teaspoon of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek crushed and added. Half a teaspoon of chaat masala. 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of the spice mix that we made. A pinch of haldi powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of mustard oil. You could use olive oil in its place. Half a teaspoon of grated ginger. Half a teaspoon of grated garlic. Mix it all well. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Add in the mushrooms. Coat them with the marinade. Add in some besan, about 2 tablespoons of it. Mix the gram flour or besan. We'll set it aside. To make the stuffing, 1/3 cup of grated paneer, a tablespoon of chopped kishmish or raisins, a tablespoon of chopped toasted cashew nuts, 1.5 tablespoons of mozzarella grated, a teaspoon of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek, a tablespoon of chopped green coriander. To this, add in 1/8 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of the special masala that we made, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Steal a bit of the marination and add it to the filling mixture. Bit of salt and just mix everything up. The filling is done. Time to stuff our mushrooms. So you'll notice that I'm reusing this plate which I had used earlier. Saves a lot of water. In the cavity, press in the filling as much as you can. Just use your thumb to scoop out the marination from the cavity. Fill it with the filling. Once they are all stuffed, just use the leftover marination to coat them from top. Now this bowl of leftover marination is really important to the recipe. I'll just add in a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and maybe half a tablespoon of mustard oil. Use a brush and mix it all together with the leftover marination. And this is what we are going to use for cooking. So I'm using a non-stick pan. Once that heats up, brush it with the oil and marination mixture. Place the mushrooms with the stuffing side down. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. The leftover marination, don't want to lose any of it. After 1.5 minutes on medium heat, flip this over. That's got a nice color. Add some oil around the mushrooms. Let them cook on medium heat for a minute on this side. Then we'll turn them over. That looks much better. So keep flipping and turning till you are happy with the coloration. They don't take too long to cook. Turn off the heat. To serve, some green chutney and lachha onions. A sprinkling of chaat masala on top. Serve the stuffed mushrooms as a starter or an appetizer and enjoy.